हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द गिवन क्वेश्चन. H2O2 is reported 3.03% by mass. Calculate its strength in terms of volume of O2 if density of H2O2 solution is d gram m milliliter per milliliter. So here key points are mole and its equivalent. Here we have to find the volume strength. We have to find the strength, that is volume strength. So volume strength formula as volume strength is equal to 11.2 into molarity. So let mass of solution is equal to 100 gram. So mass of H2O2, mass of this H2O2 is equal to, here they said 3.03%. So it will be 3.03 gram. Now as we know density is equal to mass upon volume. So this is equal to, density is D. This is equal to, mass is equal to 100 and V volume. Density D given over here. So we can say volume of solution is equal to 100 by d ml. Now we have to find volume strength which is equal to 11.2 into 3.03 divided by, as molarity is equal to number of moles. So number of moles is mass given divided by atomic mass, which is equal to 34 divided by volume. So volume is equal to 100 by D. As this is in ml, so we will write here divided by 1000. So what it's become? This is equal to 11.2 multiplied by 3.03 into 1000 into D divided by 34 into 100. So we will get 9.98 D. So approximately we can say it is 10 D. So our final answer is 10 D. I hope you understand the solution. Thank you.